I decided to make this video in hopes it helps somebody. I didn't really see any other videos out there talking about this, so again, hopefully this helps you. I was working on my 92 F250, but this should really work with any similar year Ford that uses the metal fuel lines that you have to have those tools to get it off. I was replacing the fuel filter on this thing, and when I was taking the front line off, the fuel line came apart and this little clip came out of it. And my original thought is that I'm going to have to replace the fuel line, and did a little bit of reading online, and turns out you don't have to. These clips are replaceable, and you could probably just bend yours back together, and I consider doing that on mine, but Dorman makes this kit. It's this guy, part number 800-017. There's two different sizes in here. This truck for the fuel filter uses the smaller of the two sizes. But you can just simply pop those clips out and replace them. So I'm going to get up under the truck and show you how I did that. And so far the truck's running great. I don't see any leaks, so it seems to be working. So if you're having the same issue where these clips come out of your fuel line, you don't have to replace the line. You can simply replace just the clip. And if you're lucky, your local parts store will have it. So let's take a look at that. Now I believe the way that you do this is you take the clip and you stick it in tabs first, or fingers first. That way when you put the disconnect tool in there, it spreads these apart. So it kind of sticks in there like so. Now if you look at the other one up there, you can see that it's right at the end of the fitting, or the line there, so it shouldn't need to go in very far. I'm up under the truck right now, doing this with my phone and with one hand, so I'm going to put the phone down and see if I can get this in there. Yeah, so that was pretty straightforward. I just kind of squeezed it a little bit, stuck it in there. You can see that it's not fully seated just yet. The ends there are not fully pushed in. I'm going to do that with a flathead screwdriver here. And once we do that, it should be ready to go. One of the things you're going to want to do is make sure is that the O-ring is still down there. That's that brown or orange guy in there. You want to make sure that's still in place, because if it's not, then you got other problems. Okay, so I got the clip in there, got the new filter in there with the bracket and all that, and it should just clip on. Let's see. So I heard a click. I don't know if you got that in the video or not, but it shouldn't come off, and I can't quite get it off, so I guess that's working. Don't forget you also have these clips here. That'll help hold it on there, but it should work, and if it's not, I probably won't post this video. So yeah, like I said, that worked great for this truck. I'm not seeing any leaks or anything like that. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.